Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must confirm eligibility first, age, education, and Jharkhand domicile. Then gather scanned documents, passport photo, signature, ID proof, and certificates. Once those files are ready, create your account on the official recruitment portal and verify with OTP to activate it. Make sure file sizes and formats match the specifications before uploading. This avoids delays. While creating the account, note your username and password in a secure place so you can return to the application without losing progress. Now carefully complete the application form. Enter personal details exactly as on your ID and educational certificates because mismatches cause rejection. Once done, upload your photo and signature following pixel dimensions and file size rules and attach required certificates in permitted formats. Next, pay the application fee through the available modes and wait for confirmation. Make sure to preview the entire form, correct any auto-filled errors, and save a draft or take screenshots so you have evidence of every step before final submission. Final step, review every entry carefully, then submit and record the application ID shown on screen. After submission, download and print the confirmation receipt and keep payment and document copies secure. Track notifications for admit card release, exam venue, and instructions. Make travel plans only after the official release. If something goes wrong, missing upload, or wrong detail, use the published correction window immediately or contact the recruitment helpline with proof and ID. That single troubleshooting step often resolves avoidable rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.